Justin, keep your mouth shut.
Yeah, I was gonna say, he has to be quiet. All right. Like I said, I was gonna take off a little bit for this one, so. The drag queens have worn off on me a little bit more than usual. Normally it's just the music that wears off on me. I do a bunch of pop stuff that the drag queens do, but this time I was like, if they're gonna go all the way and wear outfits, I gotta do it at least once, right?
Good! Woo!
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards told you to leave it in? Do you ever feel buried deep, 6 feet under, yeah, but no one seems to hear a thing? And you know there's a place for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, yeah, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just so the night like a force of July, 'cause baby you're on fire, you were, come on let's show, colors words, make them go, 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 and leave them going up, oh, oh, baby you're a firework, come on let's show, your colors burn, just make them go, 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 I'm gonna leave them going up, oh, oh, boom, 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 make it brighter than the moon, boom, 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 make it brighter than the moon, 'cause baby you're a firework, come on let's show, colors burst, make 'em go.